What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to access ChatGPT on your PC or Mac when it's not available in your country or on your network. We will use a VPN service to bypass IP and geo restrictions. There are a lot of options available, and the best free option at this time is Privado VPN. By using the link in the video description, you'll gain access to Privado VPN's free version, which offers a 10 GB per month limit. If you want to enjoy the full suite of features like VPN access on up to 10 devices, you can upgrade for just $2 or $3 a month. Click Get Deal to see the discounted paid plans or select the free plan option. With the free plan, all you need is an email address to create your account and download the Privado VPN app to your system. You will receive a verification email. After confirming your email address, you can download the Privado VPN app and log in with your account credentials. You can change your username and password later in your account settings. Once you've downloaded and installed the Privado VPN app, launch it and log in again if prompted. Then, choose a server location and click to connect. The app's intuitive design makes it easy to enable or disable the VPN connection. Access your VPN and account settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the window. With Privado VPN connected, you're free to access ChatGPT without any restrictions. Open your browser, head to the GPT website, and enjoy a seamless experience. If you still face issues with ChatGPT, then make sure that your browser settings and extensions are not interfering with the website's functionality. You may also need to clear your recent browser cache to restart your browsing session from the OpenAI domain. You may want to use an alternative browser to see if your ChatGPT issues are network-related or not. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helps you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.